this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to recreate this look inspired by Lemii. Actually I'm going to follow her. उसको उहाँको एउटा भिडियो छ युट्युबमा अनि मलाई यो लुक एकदमै मन पर्छ. इन्स्टाग्राममा पनि फोटो छ. So I'll leave the photo here. I really like this photo. I really like this makeup look. कस्तो राम्रो एकदमै राम्रो देखिनु भएको छ यो फोटोमा. And I know तपाईहरुले Lemii Tamang भनेको को भनेर भनिराख्नु पर्दैन cuz she don't need any introduction cuz she's really famous and she's so beautiful. एकदमै राम्रो मलाई यति राम्रो लाग्छ. So for now, if you guys want to see how I recreate this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm so sorry guys, मेरो यो आँखा अलिक ठुलो देखेछ किन हो मतलब लाइक यो आइलिड एकदम सोइलिङ भयो जस्तो लाग्छ. I don't know why, sorry about that. Okay, so she start her video with her eyebrows first. I think she already primed her face. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to prime my face with my MILANI Prime Protect SPF 30 face primer. Quickly, just like this. So today I'm going to use my deep brow pomade medium brown from Anastasia. I'm so excited plus I'm so nervous. Okay, I just fill up my brow and then she is using her concealer to shape her eyebrow. So for that I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm going to pop out a little bit on my hand. Her brows are so perfect. So once you clean and sharp her brows, उहाँले चाहिँ डाइरेक्ट आँखामा जम्प गर्नुभएको छ. So she's using Morphe 35W and I don't have that shade. So for me I'm going to use this NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette. यसमा चाहिँ उहाँले युज गरेको जस्तो कलरहरु चाहिँ छ, ठ्याक्कै म्याच गर्छ. यसमा चाहिँ ब्ल्याक पनि छ अनि ब्राउन हल्का ब्राउन पनि छ अनि त्यो गोल्ड शेड पनि बिचमा छ अनि ट्रान्जिसन कलर यो बर्गन्डी शेड पनि छ है. So first I'm going to use this transition color right here. यसरी हल्का मात्रै युज गर्नु भएको छ. नभएको कारणले चाहिँ म्युजिक मात्रै छ, साउन्ड नभएको कारण चाहिँ मलाई हल्का गाह्रो भइरहेछ. अब के गरिरहेछ है. अब चाहिँ उहाँले चाहिँ ट्रान्जिसन सेट पछि चाहिँ ब्राउन कलरको आइस्याडो युज गर्नु भएको छ. So I'm going to use the brown eyeshadow from the same palette. I'm going to place it right here. यो outer corner र inner corner मा लगाऊ. अनि चाहिँ हल्का माथि माथिसम्म ल्याइनु भएको छ अनि यसरी ब्लेन्ड गर्नु भएको छ, कनेक्ट गरेको छ. ओके, सो द लिड कलरको लागि चाहिँ उहाँले गोल्डन आइस्याडो लगाउनु भएको छ. आई हेभ गोल्डन आइस्याडो राइट हियर. एकदमै हल्का. ओके, I think this is gel liner from Anastasia because she's using brush. Okay, anyway, I'm going to use my Benefit roller liner and I'll try my best to create big wing liner because मैले धेरै जस्तो गर्दिन धेरै ठुलठुलो wing linerहरु. मेरो त ठुलो भयो होला. Okay guys, I'm back with my liner. Okay, next she's doing her face foundation को लागि चाहिँ MAC को NC25. I have that. Where is it? Oh yeah. Going to blend. Concealer चाहिँ अमेजिङ कस्मेटिक को कन्सिलर युज गर्नु भएको छ. मसँग चाहिँ छैन त्यो. सो मैले चाहिँ मेरो Maybelline Fit Me कन्सिलर युज गर्दै छु अनि यो पनि यस्तै डट डट गर्नु भएको छ. Okay, so next चाहिँ contouring रहेछ. Contouring कसरी गर्ने? Oh my god, I've never done that. Okay, I need to find thread now. Here we go, my thread. So I'm going to use my cream contour. What? Same. यस्तो पनि गर्नुभएको छ. Oh, so risky. So I'm using my LAURAMERICER setting powder. Okay, concealer लगाएको एरियामा. Okay, so next say blush लगाउनु भएको छ. So for me, I'm going to use this Benefit California Dream Blusher. So next is lips. So पहिला चाहिँ म मेरो lips लाई moisturize गर्छु. What she's doing? What? No way, मैले त गर्न सक्दिन. Okay, I have this. Same like her. I need to cut it down. Lips ko shape ma. I tried to create this thing same like her. I don't know what is this. Lip shaper or what, I don't know. And she's using Huda Beauty liquid lipstick on the shade Famous. So let's do it. Ooh. Okay, so we're done with the lipstick. Let's see what's next. Oh, video. I'm ready with my makeup. My lashes are on. Okay, let's do the hair now. Okay, I'm done guys, and my couple sabai curl garna cause ma भोलि काममा जानु पर्छ. And then second thing is मैले उहाँको जस्तै perfect एकदमै राम्रो चाहिँ बनाउन सकिन. अलिकति इटी चाहिँ try गरे. I tried my best to recreate that look. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video, and let me know guys what you guys want to see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.